Hello beautiful people. Lakshdeep Ki's travel series say welcome back to this travel trail with me, Nisha. In this entire episode series, we'll talk about Lakshdeep Island's entry, flights, permits, dive, and I'll show you how pristine this place is. So let's start this journey from the very first episode from the only airport island of Lakshdeep, that is Agatti. Welcome to day one of Lakshdeep. So welcome to the most talked about and beautiful destination in our own country, that is India. That is Lakshdeep. Right now I'm in Lakshdeep. This is day one. It is beautiful over here. Never seen water like this, islands like these. Just landed. Right now I'm in Agatti. That is the only island here in Lakshdeep where the airport is there. There is a whole process of taking permits, coming to Lakshdeep, how you can do it, how you can take the permits, what all is the process that I'll talk about, all these details in this video series. Till then, I'm just mesmerized. There are a lot of islands in Lakshdeep, but you have a permit, you have to take a permit and you are allowed in only few of them, and then I'll be showing you all of them that are here. Will be going in the coming days. Lekin abhi I'll just show you I'm in this very cool sa resort here in Agatti. I just landed and then it is magical. It's beautiful over here. And then I'll show you the resort in just some time. So this is the resort. यहाँ पे अगत्ती में बहुत सारे resorts हैं. ये इतना छोटा island है कि ये इसका path है. उस तरफ भी ocean है और अगर मैं आपको अंदर ले जा रही हूँ तो this side also it's the ocean. It is beautiful. The water is like so pristine. I'll just show you the entire island in some time. ये उनका छोटा सा kitchen है यहाँ पे. And this is the property. Kayaking is turning out to be one of the great activities that you can do here in Lakshdeep. If you'll see, it's all open sea. You can just rent a kayak. For safety you can wear this anyway, like it's a low tide, but it's like little deep here. You can go anywhere in the ocean you want to with this kayak. There are certain points that you can rent it from. I got it from a resort called Seaside Resort. It's near Western Jetty only, and it's a beautiful day. You can kayak in the morning or evening as per like your preference and time. So yeah, look at the waters, how blue, how transparent and how clear it is. There's a good chance that you can see a turtle here because turtles are swimming in this one. It's like you can get lucky for that matter. Let's see like how I'll see it, if I'll find anything, or I'll just enjoy this day right now. So Agatti is a very small island. So if you'll see, this is the only road that it has, and then you can just walk from the start, that is the airport, till the end of the island. It's a long walk, but you can walk, and then either you can rent a cycle and a scooter, and then you can just enjoy this island. Alongside this road there are resorts, and then that side and this side, both the sides is the ocean. You can just go swim, walk and do whatever you want on this island. I highly recommend staying a day here. People generally come to this island and then they go to, on the same day they go to Bagaram or any other place like Karavati. But if you're coming here on the very first day, try to stay here. It's a beautiful small place, and yeah, you'll have an awesome time. So in all the islands, right now we are in Agatti. So if you'll see the meals, like there are not cafes or something like that over here in Lakshadweep because the islands are like restricted and there is not much construction here. So you will get your food all 3 times, like the breakfast, lunch and dinner in your resort only. And they're preparing these meals, and then this is the lunchtime basically. So I'm getting, like, you have veg or non-veg, all the options here. You have to tell your preference before coming, and then yeah, you can enjoy a meal along with the sea over here. Find scooters also on Agatti, and then you can go on these auto rickshaw rides in the island. It's a beautiful day today. So it's almost evening in Agatti and we just came for a walk. It's a small island that is just around 7.6 kilometers, and right now I'm at a point called Western Side Jetty. You'll see this is like a jetty boarding point where you can take boats to go to Bangaram, that will go tomorrow, and then some activities happening here. Water is so clean and blue, and the sand is white. It's so beautiful here. So now it's a small island. So now we are like east side of the jetty. That side was west. This is like the east side jetty. The ships that come from Kochi, India, comes to this side. A lot of goods, electric stuffs, mechanical stuffs are coming. That is there, the ship is loading. And this is the east side of the island. As you can see, right, it's just a long line that is around 7.6 kilometers starting from your airport. Airport is that side, the runway, this side, and then that is the end. I'll try to cover it from that side to this side in the morning for a run. Let's see how much I'll be able to cover, but what a beautiful day it is. So right now we are at Lagoon Beach. That is the last point in this Agatti island. Like I said, right, it's a small straight lane sort of an island, और starting में जहाँ पे airport है और फिर इस तरफ यहाँ पे Lagoon Beach है, ये last point है. बहुत सारे लोग यहाँ पे locals फुटबॉल खेल रहे हैं. यहाँ पे फुटबॉल I think काफ़ी prominent sport है because I've seen centers जहाँ पे बच्चे फुटबॉल खेल रहे थे. So right now it's almost sunset. Let's see, sunset थोड़ा late है यहाँ पे, around after 6:45 I think. So we'll sit here for some time, and the water is as amazing as anywhere here. It's blue, it's green, and if you see, right, the shore is little that side, right, the main portion till that it's pretty shallow. तो अगर आपको swim करना है तो आप काफ़ी आगे तक you can swim. It's really low tide here. So it's almost sunset here in Agatti. The sun is that side, and then this is a beautiful island. I recommend, as I said before also, एक दिन इस island में आपको spend करना ही चाहिए. People generally come and go to Bangaram or other Karavati, but if you come here, it's good to spend a day here, day or two. It's a beautiful place. You can just sit here, chill. Small island, but you'll get a lot of hypermarkets, like a small shops here, and then You can buy small goods and all, but ज़्यादा यहाँ पे चीज़ें नहीं हैं. Apparently a year back or something यहाँ पे नेटवर्क का भी थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम था, बट अब यहाँ पे एकदम एयरटेल एंड BSNL is coming perfectly fine. Internet is also coming in Agatti. Rest of the islands we'll see as we go there, but here the connectivity is just awesome. And I'll just show you the sunset behind me. It's almost sunset. It's 7. It's almost 7 now. So sunset happened a little late here. And the water, as usual, it's beautiful here. Beautiful. Beaches are clean. Small island. Locals are pretty helpful. There is a problem of Hindi here. Hindi यहाँ पे थोड़ा problem है. लेकिन generally लोग यहाँ पे मलयालम में बात करते हैं. So yeah, I'll just spend some time here. It's called Antham Beach, by the way. Yeah, this is Anthan Beach, and it's a sunset spot, beautiful spot.
So it's day 2 here in Agatti, and I've decided to go for some fun dives here. Prices of dives or snorkel or kayak is way cheaper in Lakshadweep than any other island in India. I'll mention the rates below in description. So for now, let's go for a dive.
Done with the dive, and it was a beautiful dive here in Agatti. So a lot of different corals. If you want to see the coral life better, Agatti is the place for you. If you want to see more fishes, like different form of fishes or turtles better, then Kavaratti is the place for you. Bangaram, I did the shore one because the others was closed because of the staff shortage. But Bangaram I didn't like much compared to all the 3 islands that I did in Agatti, Bangaram and Kavaratti. Kavaratti by far is the best. So, but the waters here is great. You have to come for your like if you want to do your dive certification or your fun dives or anything else, this is the place for you.
While coming to Agatti, मैंने प्लेन से एक छोटा सा आइलैंड देखा था that is near Agatti only. इतना दूर भी नहीं है, सामने ही दिख रहा है. And I just thought कि can we go there? और यहाँ पे आने के बाद I'm just like roaming around. तो मैंने किसी लोकल से पूछा तो can we go there? And they said कि yeah, that is Kalpati Island and that is near to Agatti. It's just like 10 to 15 minutes a boat ride. So I just asked a couple of people here, and I got a boat to go there. It's almost evening here in Agatti. It's 5 o'clock. Sunset happens at around 6:45. It's late, and yeah. So the boat is just near to where am I staying. So that's my stay. It's a small hut onto the ocean. That is Red Coral Resort for you if you're planning to book it. And I'm just walking and then just right across here again the sea, both sides there is only one road in between, and here the boat is waiting. It's a local boat, and I'll be hopping onto the boat from here itself just outside my resort, and then I'll go to Kalpati Island. It's a small island, just like a ride away, and then you can just walk there. I don't know like how the island is, but let's go and find out. And it's a boat, and that is the guy who's taking me there.
I think I'll stay there till evening. Beautiful day. So I've reached this island and there is no one here. It's just like I've started walking inside the island. There is not a defined path, but yeah, people when they come generally from one end to another, they just, I think they go by this way. So it's like this, all deserted. I don't see palm tree or coconut trees here. It just look like random bushes and random trees, like a small jungle kind of a feel. I'll try to take some drone shots. Let's see like how much I'll be able to see from end to end. But it's like a very small island. You can just come here in the morning or evening. It just hardly takes 10 to 20 minutes to reach from Agatti. It's very near to the runway anyway. Like that side from where we parked, there is a runway, and that is the other side is basically this island. Yeah. So it's like really small, and I started walking from that side and I reached beach on the other side, and it's mainly jungle around me. It's beautiful here. That side, if you're able to see, I think that is the runway of Agatti, and this is Kalpeti. Nobody stays here. In an uninhabited island, what you'll find, these remains and dyed shells on a rock. You can see the entire circumference of this island with these rock formations.
And it's a wrap from Agatti, and tomorrow we'll head to a different island, that is Bangaram, here in Lakshadweep. See you in the next episode. Till then, please, you know the drill. Like, share and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next episode. Take care.